Hello and welcome to Magic Kingdom Day on our Nikon Z50 tour of Walt Disney World. Today we've been at Magic Kingdom. It's like 11:30 or something like that. Okay, Casey wanted to make photographs on Main Street, USA and around the castle. And the only way to do that without a million people in your shot is to do it right at opening time. So that's what we did. Here's Casey sitting on a bench by the Roy Disney statue with Minnie Mouse. And you can see looking down Main Street, the castle there in the background. And you know, we're constantly moving towards our goal, but also making photographs. Here's another photo of Casey on Main Street with the castle in the background. Very cool. And then further down, we're almost at what's called the hub now, which is the circle area in front of the castle. And another photograph of Casey in the castle. And on this next shot, I'm actually standing in the middle of the hub. This is a statue of Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse with the castle in the background. And moving further in the direction that we were going, this is Casey actually inside the castle. There's a passageway where you can walk through the castle from the front to the back, and here's Casey in that passageway. And now this is a shot of the castle looking at it from the side, kind of from a different direction, and I made this shot and it turned out pretty cool. So we decided that we needed to make another one, and this time have Casey in the shot. I think this one is really nice as well. This is kind of a bridge that goes over that little waterway, and Casey gave me a little over the shoulder look, and I like it. And we got here right at opening time, and at opening time there's just no time to do vlogging. You're go, but we went over to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is typically the longest line here, right at opening time, and it was closed. Great. So then we wandered over and we did Pirates of the Caribbean. Pirates of the Caribbean is an extremely dark ride, and I made all of this video footage with the Z50 and the 35 f1.8.
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
10? I'll give you 20.
Keep still. I'm studying me map.
And then we did Jungle Cruise. Look at the shutter speed on this shot. It's 1/25 of a second. That's not a typo. The vibration reduction on the 16 to 50 kit lens is pretty good. Of this picture of Casey, here's a up close picture of Heather's pretty eyes that I liked, and made this while we were in the line for Jungle Cruise. And now we'll look at some of the sights on the Jungle Cruise. Now, all of these animals on Jungle Cruise are fake animals, and they're still fun to take their picture, and there's always lots of comedy, like the lions had the zebra over for dinner, and but you know, it's definitely nowhere near as cool as the safari at Animal Kingdom, but it's a whole different philosophy. But if you want to see some really cool animal photos, check out episode number 3 in this series. I had a great day of animal photography while we were at the Animal Kingdom theme park. And here's the last, I believe, of the photographs of the animals of the Jungle Cruise. And then we did Splash Mountain. On Splash Mountain, I didn't want to get my Z50 wet, so I used the GoPro Hero 8. And at the same time, I also recorded it with my iPhone. Casey wants me to make senior pictures of her here at the Magic Kingdom, so I've been using the Z50 and the 16 to 50 kit lens in various places around the Magic Kingdom, making photographs of her. And some of that time I've used the pop-up flash as a fill flash, and the photos have been coming out really nice. These next 3 photos are some of my favorite of the entire trip. These are all with the Z50 and the kit lens, using the pop-up flash as a fill, with the water that goes around Tom Sawyer Island in the background. I think they came out just fantastic, and I love the reflections in the water and the flash level was just right to capture Casey in these photographs, not looking overly flashy and not looking too dark. Just really, really pleased with the way these came out. And I decided I had to make one of Heather as well, and it came out good too. Look at those clouds on the water, and that's the area where the Liberty Bell boat docks in the background there. Very cool photographs with the Z50 and the pop-up flash. Next we were off to what I believe is Heather's favorite ride in all of Disney. It's Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Wildest ride in the wilderness!
Then we headed off to the Pinocchio Village House restaurant for lunch. Casey's having chicken nuggets. Heather is having a cheese flatbread. And I'm having a meat lover's flatbread here at Pinocchio Village House. Here's a Disney cast member as he walks around the Fantasyland area of the Magic Kingdom theme park. And this guy's job is to enforce the mask rules. And they did a really good job, although not as good as they did in July. Now we'll ride Under the Sea, the journey of the Little Mermaid, and I make some clips with the Z50 and the 35 1.8.
I want more.
Under the sea, I'll be bold, but fishing the boy is lucky, dead for a worse of days. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Words won't say a word until you listen again.
Okay, here is another pop-up flash shot of Casey. This is in the exit of the Little Mermaid ride, and I like the bokeh at f2. Although this one does have a little bit of a flashy look. You can definitely tell the flash was used, which the others didn't have as bad. We are here at Gaston's Tavern, and look at this. What is it, Casey?
It's a gray stuff cupcake.
Whoa.
It's a chocolate cupcake and then with the gray stuff from Beauty and the Beast.
Whoa.
And white chocolate.
Awesome.
And little balls. Thanks.
Did you get one?
Yeah, I got one.
Casey and I just rode Space Mountain, and I made the impossible red tunnel cell phone selfie. Check it out. We're in line now for the Seven Dwarfs Mod Train. This is the ride we tried to ride at opening time, but it wasn't running. So we've been trying to get back over here all day, and man, what a long line it has. They say 75 minutes. The line goes all the way around the island that is the mine train.
foolish mortals to the haunted mansion. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
Serpents and spiders, hail the rat, call in the spirits, wherever they're at. I do. I did.
It's time to socialize.
Till you return, everyone, till you return.
All right, well, it's probably triple the crowd this week of when we were here in July, the first week that the parks reopened. After we got done doing Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, we came over and did the Haunted Mansion, which is Heather's favorite. And then we did Big Thunder Mountain Railroad 2 times. So that was fun. And now the park is closed. All right, thanks for watching episode 4 of our October 2020 trip to Walt Disney World, where I use the Nikon Z50 for all the photography. The only thing left is 2 rides of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. This first one is with Casey and Heather in the front seat and me right behind. And then I'll have the next ride on here as well, where I am riding with Heather and I have the camera pointed at us, which is fun. So thanks again for watching. Have a great one. Bye-bye.
Folks are wearing hats or glasses. It's because this here's the wildest ride.